I don't draw many sports cartoons, and for the record, I'm a Yankees fan. Go ahead, laugh, boo, give me a Bronx cheer, whatever. I don't care. You know why I don't care? Because I'm a Yankees fan.
Pitching in a 5-5 game. That might send the Yankees to the World Series.
I also like the Chicago Bears, the Boston Bruins, and I kind of like the Celtics, but I'm not much of a pro basketball fan. However, I do follow UConn basketball and football, and I'm worried about the future of UConn in the Big East, or should I say, what's left of the Big East. Until now, the Big East has been more of a basketball conference than football, but football is calling the shots these days because of the tremendous amounts of TV money it brings into the schools. You can call it greed or good business, but UConn's sports budget would be nothing without TV money. People like to carp about our successful coaches' salaries, but truth be told, the money should be considered part of the advertising budget. Nobody in the heartland would know the University of Connecticut from the University of Hartford if it weren't for the popular televised sports. The same can be said of schools like Gonzaga, Boise State, and Butler. Wherever Connecticut winds up, I hope it's competitive, but not too competitive. We want to win once in a while.